my skin barrier. So if your texture is so much better, like, and she literally was like, also helped to hydrate my skin as well. This girl, welcome back to my channel. My name is preciouskif. For those of you who are new here, thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video, I am going to be sharing products that have helped to transform my skin, and particularly to transform my skin barrier. So if you are struggling with textured skin and you feel like your skin is not making progress, then you may want to watch this video. So before we get into the products, I just kind of want to tell you guys a little background about my skin. So I basically struggled with a lot of hyperpigmentation, and my skin was super textured, and I felt like I was using products but nothing was working. Literally, my hyperpigmentation was still there. I would still get dark spots, I would still get pimples. It was just a mess. So this year I decided to go see an esthetician, and the esthetician recommended these products to me. I just want to say that I'm not a skincare specialist, I'm not a dermatologist, I'm none of that, okay? Take everything that I'm saying with a grain of salt, and yeah. So first thing I want to say is, when I went to see my esthetician, I had some other concerns. I was like,
oh, you need to fix my hyperpigmentation, you need to get rid of these spots, these pimples, everything like that.
And she literally was like,
your skin barrier is damaged. And
I said, I had damaged my skin barrier really badly, and there are many different ways that you can damage your skin barrier. So it's either using too much products on your skin or using active ingredients incorrectly, which is how I believe I got my skin barrier damaged. I was using like AHAs and BHAs, and I wasn't using them correctly at the right time, and it just completely ruined my skin. So basically she was like, girl, we need to get your skin barrier fixed first. So I'm going to share 3 products with you guys that helped to transform my skin texture, and if you are struggling with this, then maybe you may want to pick up these products. I have my phone here with me because I did make notes about some of these products, just so that I'm a little bit more knowledgeable about what I'm saying, so that it is structured and everything. So first product I want to share with you guys is a product from Lamal, and it is the Clarity Active Cleanse. This is for problematic skin. It's a specific problematic skin treatment, and this is what she looks like. So this product cleanses and exfoliates while maintaining the integrity of the skin barrier. It has salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and sodium PCA, which will hydrate and moisturize the skin. This product honestly is so good. It is a 125 ml cleanser. This I used at night and in the morning. It is only 125 ml, and I think this costs about 260 rand. You can get this online. I will try to leave a link to where you can purchase this, but this was honestly such a game changer. Every time I used it, my skin felt so clean, like literally squeaky clean, and I absolutely love it. Like it says, it is for problematic skin. It also helps to hydrate my skin as well. So before I went to see the esthetician, my skin was actually really oily, which is so crazy because now my skin is more on the normal to combination side, which I feel like this product just really helped to hydrate my skin. So you can have, my light just died, the show must go on. You can have oily skin and still struggle with dehydration, which is sort of what I struggled with, but it was okay because this product really helped me. Not sure if I mentioned it, but the cleanser is about 260 rand. I will leave a link down below to where you can purchase it if you are interested. So the second product is this baby right here. This is the Lamal Cera Restore Cream, and this goes for 560 rand. It is a restoring cream for problematic dry skin, and it also helps for barrier restoration. It helps to balance the acid mantle, and it is suitable for dry and compromised skin. This for me was the absolute game changer in terms of helping to restore my skin's barrier. It has a very key ingredient called ceramide P, which basically just helps with the functionality of your skin. This product helps to restore the first layer of your skin so that when you are using specialized products such as serum, something for hyperpigmentation, it does actually penetrate into your skin and actually work, which was the issue that I was experiencing before. I was using all these products and it would work for everyone else but me, and I was like, why? So this product really just helped to restore my skin's acid mantle. It is 560 rand, which is a little bit on the pricey side, but I promise you guys it's worth it. It is a 50 ml product. You guys can see I don't have any of this left. I haven't purchased it again, which I feel like I am gonna purchase because my skin's been... No, I'm just kidding, my skin is fine. I actually really love this product. So the last product that I'm going to share with you guys to help with your skin's texture is a sunscreen. So this is the HelioCare sunscreen, and this is what it looks like. I don't know why it doesn't want to focus. Oh, there we go. It is the Helio sunscreen, and this is SPF 50. Helio sunscreen goes for 320 rand. It's just sunscreen, to be honest. My esthetician was very big on me getting this particular one, but honestly I feel like you can get any sunscreen that is a high SPF, and this one retails for 320 rand. It is oil free and it also doesn't leave a cast, which is like perfect, because you know some sunscreens you'll put on your face and then you literally turn white. This one doesn't do that. I absolutely love that. Sunscreen is very important when you are using these products. Also, if you're going to be using products for hyperpigmentation, your skin is very vulnerable when it comes to the sun, so you want to make sure that you are protecting it. This is a 50 ml and it did last me quite long. I still have some of this in here. I am generous when it comes to applying my sunscreen, but I'm not like, I don't do the 2-finger rule, okay? That is just too much for me. And just as a bonus to this video as well, because I do know maybe someone is wondering, I did also have serums for my dark marks, so I still do have hyperpigmentation. They haven't completely gone away, but this is the serum that I was using at night for my hyperpigmentation. I got this from my esthetician, which I will also link down below. This girl. So together with the serum, I also had a cream, which I unfortunately threw out. I don't know why I would do that, because I knew I was going to film this video, but I will try to insert a picture of the cream on the screen if I can find one. But basically those were the two products that I was using for my hyperpigmentation. Those two products are basically the products that got my dark marks to fade. There were some side effects which I will probably discuss in another video, maybe a skincare routine video that I will do. But yeah, you guys, those are the products that I used this year to help improve my skin. My skin is obviously not perfect. I've never had perfect skin. I've never had like glass skin, so I'm just happy with the progress that I've made. In fact, I've been struggling with my skin since I turned 13. Okay, I don't have any reference. I'm not trying to get back to anything. I'm really just trying to improve my skin as best as I know how. I'm also going to try to insert some pictures on the screen as I've been speaking, just so you guys can see how far I've actually come. Also, I'm not wearing any makeup. No makeup on my skin. I did fill in my eyebrows because my eyebrows are so light but I don't have any other makeup on my skin. I wanted to come to you guys as raw as I could. So this is my skin now, you guys. As you guys can see, I still do have dark spots and hyperpigmentation. These are actually a little bit new, like they're more recent, but my skin's texture is so much better. Like, it's not bumpy, it's not especially when I apply makeup. I think the first time I realized that my skin's texture had improved so much was after I applied makeup, because if you have textured skin, you know that even in applying makeup, you feel like your makeup just doesn't look flawless. It looks bumpy. But I feel like now when I apply makeup, I'm really just covering the few dark spots that I have, and the rest of the makeup just looks really good. This is what my skin is looking like right now. I am gonna try to do a skincare routine for you guys when I've hit the 1-year mark next year, Feb. I will come to you guys with a skincare routine, and hopefully by then my skin would have made so much more progress. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Let me know if this video was helpful in any way, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.